Structured headings make long documents easier to read and help organize your content clearly. Before you begin, make sure you have your text ready in your document. If you're finding this helpful, please take a quick second to like this video. Highlight the text you want to turn into a heading. Head up to the toolbar and open the Styles drop-down menu. This menu gives you several preset formatting choices for your document structure. Hover over the heading level you want to apply. Choose the Apply option to instantly update the formatting of your highlighted text. The text transforms to match the new heading style with larger, bolder formatting. Open the Styles drop-down menu again to explore further customization options. You can save your current formatting as the default or reset everything back to standard. Select the Reset Styles option if you want to clear out custom changes. A confirmation notification appears at the bottom left once the styles reset. Click anywhere on the document canvas to deselect your text and view the final result. You've now seen how easy it is to apply and manage heading styles in your documents. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.